Welcome back to Minicrate. This is my best project ever. No, this is still not, because this is the base. I'm going to teach you step by step how to make it. First, start by making in the center. Make the triple splitter and add these 3 dominoes. You can do that. And then for the hands, you use this type of rock jumping thing. Even for this, for the hands, you can see it, right? There's like a little bit gap for splitting. And this, for the head, you need to use like 2. You need to use 2 of this. I don't want to make the phone jump. See that? Let's phone slide down. And the next part we need to do, for making it much easier in the beginning, make another slow stone. Make another rock jump trick. Okay, I made the rock stone technique, and now carefully turn it and bring it like about wherever that it goes there, so the dominoes can actually, no, it does not. Shift it a bit, and now I had to continue the line from the domino like this, and like this, and then I'm going to do like that. Did you see how I made it? This part is going to be the head, this is going to be the hand, even that is going to be, and a short body. And I call this stunt as the pokey stunt. You would know soon why I am calling it a pokey stunt. It actually is like a Pokemon. I'll give you and you need to guess what type of Pokemon it is. I'm going to give you a hint right now. The hint is, it is a grass type Pokemon. And okay, that's it. It's just a grass type Pokemon. Find out and write our answers in the comment section. Okay, I made this for second part of the head. So you can see it's a square head. It's a square head. Now for the hands, you saw how to make the head, right? If you did not see it again, now for the hands, it's a simple jump rock. The head part is the most difficult part actually. For the hands, just make this, extend the line, just make a simple line like this. If you find the heads too much complicated, I think you better not make it, because you might fail it 1,000 times. Yeah, even I have actually failed it like one time, and this time I did not fail it. Really, I did not. Okay, now make another jump rock over here to turn it like this, then another jump rock over there, turn it like this 3 times, and then we are going to go there. Now one part is done of the hand. It's still not complete. I need to use all of my dominoes. Okay, you need to be really precise with this project. Stunt. Literally takes 120 dominoes for making the stunt. Yeah, because I have 120 dominoes. So now to make a jump rock, I'm going to show you. Place a pink domino and a brown domino like this. A bit far, but it should still stand. Okay, I'm going to zoom in a bit far. Okay, it was too much near. It's turning. It's literally turning. Yeah, that much. Keep a black domino on top. You can keep any dominoes. And now, zoom fill. I'm going to Carefully bring this slow stone. I mean, why do I always tell it as a slow stone instead of a raw jump rock? Now that's done. That's done. Again, I'm gonna go through. Does it remind you of any Pokemon? Now again, please tell me, comment down below because I want to know what is the name. Instead of keeping it like Poke Stunt, I need to keep that Pokemon's name. I'm gonna make a simple domino line again. Like, remember, it should be aligned. See, it's like aligning with those dominoes which is in next to that line. It should align a bit, and it should actually somehow turn the dominoes so it actually goes a bit far. Those Zack curve, for instance, but that Zack curve should be a bit hidden. It should not be like completely like a Zack curve. It should be a precise line. Now I'm going to make another jump rock and continue the line. The head is done, only the hands, because you need to use complete 120 dominoes. But you can even do like this, but the hands are looking so weird because there's nothing, only 2 layers of hand. It needs to be like 3 layers or something. Okay, I completed the stunt. I thought it's going to take all of my dominoes. Nope, it did not. Now you can extend the hands how much ever you want. This trick, like, you can make how much ever times you want, how much, like this much big, from there to there, and there, this one from there to there, how much ever big you want. You can make the hands. I mean, yeah. But for the heads, of course, the line should end at the jump rock, the start of the jump rock of the head. Now, so the stunt is complete. I'm going to show you the complete figure. Can you figure out which Pokemon it is? Write your answers in the comments section. Okay, now colors knock it down in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, I actually never meant that. How it did not fail? How it failed? I want to know how it failed. What the heck? See that black domino? It just toppled to this side instead of falling like that. Okay, whatever. But to continue a line, you just need to make another, like, go like this, extend the line, and then continue. That's it. That's how you can how to use this stunt in your other ideas. But it would take a lot of dominoes for this. I don't think so. You'll use it, or you'll use it like a project. You can, no matter how you use, I do not care. Hope you all like this video. If you did, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Oh, wait, did you see the Biofilm video? Like, it was just like 2 minutes or something. See that too. And I'm really sorry for that mountain climbing. Like, I did not say bye because it just ended out of nowhere. Like, I was just rushing down and it just ended. That was really sick. So I was really sad for that. I'm really sorry. I'm again saying sorry. Okay, hope you all like this video. If you did, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Make it, of course. Bye bye.